Presumably there will be more down the road leading up to January 20th of next year, only a few weeks from now, when Donald Trump will be inaugurated, sworn in as the 45th President of the United States. Our camera crews are getting ready to go into the Oval Office. Reporters will be going in there as well. President Obama will make a statement. President-elect Donald Trump will make a statement. We'll see if they answer reporters' questions. We'll, of course, have coverage of all of that. The incoming First Lady Melania Trump is also being received right now by Michelle Obama, the First Lady of the United States. Presumably, we'll see both of them at some point as well. In the meantime, as we await the statements from the President and the President-elect, the Pentagon correspondent Barbara Starr is joining us. Barbara, yesterday Ash Carter, the Defense Secretary, said he wants everyone at the Pentagon, military and civilian personnel, to work together with the incoming Trump team to make sure there's a smooth transition. What do you hear?
Well, there's as you would expect, a lot of chatter up and down the Pentagon hallways. I'd say the top curiosity here is who will be the new Secretary of Defense. A lot of names being thrown around, but nobody's hearing anything very definitive yet. One of the big underlying questions so many senior people in the U.S. military have, quite remarkably, is, who is this new commander-in-chief that they will have? They have seen Donald Trump's statements on the campaign trail, talking about waterboarding, talking about bombing with regard to civilian casualties, talking about taking the oil in Iraq. All of these things potentially very serious violations of international law, violations of the Geneva Convention. Quite remarkably, they want to know, is that the Donald Trump that is the new commander-in-chief, or will he ratchet